Hello friends, welcome back to Angreji Suno or Bolo. Today's story is about a farmer and his magical goose. This story will help you learn English words you can use in daily life. So, listen carefully and I'll explain new words at the end. So, let's begin. Once upon a time, a farmer lived in a small village. He was poor and worked hard every day, but he was never happy. One morning, the farmer went to his goose. Goose means Hans. One morning, the farmer went to his goose to collect eggs. To his surprise, he found a golden egg in the nest. He picked it up and shouted, "Wow, I'm rich." Every day, the goose laid one golden egg. The farmer sold the eggs and became richer and richer. But he was also greedy. One day, the farmer thought, "Why should I wait for one egg every day? I want all the eggs now." He decided to cut open the goose and take all the golden eggs at once. The next morning, the farmer killed the goose, but when he looked inside, there was no golden eggs. The goose was gone forever. The farmer lost his goose and became poor again. So, the moral of the story is greed leads to loss. Be patient and don't let greed ruin what you have. I'm repeating this line. Be patient and don't let greed ruin what you have. Okay, so let's learn some useful words from this story. The first one is farmer. A farmer is a person who grows crops or raises animals. The second one is goose, a bird often raised on farms. In Hindi, it is called Hans. The third one is egg, something laid by birds and eaten by people. We all know what egg means. The fourth one is rich. Rich means having lots of money or wealth. The fifth one is greedy. Greedy means wanting too much of something. And the sixth one is patience. Patience means the ability to wait calmly. Let's learn some phrases which we can use in our daily life. The first one is to my surprise. In Hindi it is called जब मुझे आश्चर्य हुआ. The second one is wow, I'm rich. Hindi translation would be वाह मैं अमीर हूँ. The third one is don't be greedy. In Hindi it is called लोभी मत बनो. Did you enjoy today's story? If yes, share your thoughts in the comments and tell me which word or phrase you like the most. Remember to use these words in your daily conversations to improve your English. Like, share, and subscribe to Angreji Suno or Bolo for more stories and lessons. See you next time. Till then, stay happy and keep speaking English. Thank you.